Hello and welcome to Zoom State Media. In some entertainment news, Scott Sakupwanya, a ZANU-PF legislator from Mavuku, is gearing up for a grand birthday celebration featuring American rapper Rick Ross. The multi-Grammy Award-winning artist is set to perform in Zimbabwe on the 28th of February 2026. Ross, whose real name is William Roberts II, confirmed his appearance in a video message on Instagram, expressing excitement about the event, which he referred to as a next-level birthday party hosted by Sakupwanya.
It's the biggest boss, Ricky Rose. Zimbabwe, get ready, February 28th. Ricky Rose, I'm coming to knock it down. It's next level, yeah. The big homie Scott, we gonna do it big like that. The birthday bash is gonna be next level, so get your tickets right now. Get your tickets right now, because this is gonna be historic.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.